Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and today our topic is difference between set and map in Java. In Java, set and maps are two important interfaces available in the collection framework. Both set and map iterators are used to store the collection of objects as the state unit. The difference between the set and map is the set is a unordered single unit, and the main difference the set and map is the unconsidered content difference. Now, when the map contains the data key and value pair in the section, we now check set interface. So the java.util.package provide the set interface as implemented by extending the collection interface. It doesn't allow to add same element to it. It doesn't remind the insertion order because it contain the element in the sorted way. For designing the mathematical set, we can use the interface in Java. Uh, next we check a map interface. So map is another interface available in the collection interface is order to the use to map interface. We have to extend the collection interface just like a set map is also used for storing collection of object as a single unit. Each object in a store key value pair, we can easily access the value using the key because of value associated with the unique value. So we can easily delete the element using the array map and sorted are the two interfaces, and tree map, link, hash map are three classes of map. If we need to transpose a map, we have to convert into the set because map cannot be travel after converting into set. So we can travel using the set methods key and entry set. So next, the difference between set and map interfaces. So both interfaces are used to store the collection of object as a single unit. In the main difference between set and map is the set contain only data elements, and the map contain the data and the key value pair. So map contain key and value. Now check for differences. So set is used to construct the mapping mathematical set in Java, and map is used to the mapping in the database. And second, it cannot contain repeated value, and map it can have the same values for the different keys. So thank you.